For me, the workshop is different every time I teach it. All the students are always bringing different things to the room, different backgrounds, different interests in the different instruments. The group dynamic is always amazing to watch. And as the workshop unfolds and we work with the different instruments, what I consistently see is this people's eyes light up when they realize that the instrument that they hadn't thought about too much before is the one that resonated the most and was suddenly so compelling and gave them an aha moment and a transformation. That is a lot of fun, to watch. As students get the hands-on experience, they are in several roles. They're in the role of practitioner, they're in the role of receiver, and they're in the role of observer. And each one of those experiences and roles offers something really valuable. The chance to be on the table and to feel what it feels like to have another student practice on you gives you ideas around how you can practice both on yourself and with other people. For every instrument I teach, in addition to the breakout work where students are working on each other, there's always time spent teaching some techniques that are just for you, techniques that you can learn for your own self-care. There is a consistent curriculum, a curriculum that has been fully vetted, developed, and reinforced hundreds of times. And so there is a consistency and quality in what each of the teachers are teaching, including myself. And it's a robust program. You will know what you're doing and feel confident in being able to work with people with sound by the time you are done. Curiosity is enough of a reason to come to a workshop. It's okay if at this point you don't know where it's going to lead. And in the workshop, I promise you'll find other like-minded people who have that shared sense of curiosity